You hear about this, or if you already heard about it, of course the link for this video will be in the description below. Wuhan, China, this is where the coronavirus originated. They are back to normal and they are celebrating. Yes, this is a very accurate and very recent photo of this city and country partying. And you might ask yourself, why? Why in a country with like America with so much money and so many resources that we are so far behind as far as a vaccine? Simple. Everybody hates our president, Donald Trump. Nobody like you, bruh. The link for this article will be in the description. So according to the New York Post, photos show Wuhan clubbers partying maskless in former COVID-19 epicenter. I want to give a shout out to Ben Koss for this very recent article. Now, Wuhan clubbers go wild as city celebrates 5 months without the coronavirus. No panic at this disco. Now, revealers are flocking back to Wuhan clubs amid reports that the former epicenter of the pandemic hasn't recorded a homegrown coronavirus case since May. Since May, people, and we are in late September. Photos taken on Friday, September the 18th, show partygoers crammed elbow to elbow on the dance floor at an unnamed disco in the Habib capital, reported bites. Many aren't wearing masks despite the fact that most Chinese clubs post play cards telling patrons to do so. The brazen displays come after Wuhan, where the outbreak originated, was deemed COVID-free after officials tested, are you guys ready for this? 9.9 million people. The central Chinese city has not reported a locally transmitted case since mid-May. Mid-May, people, over a month after it lifted a 76-day lockdown that halted the movement of Wuhan's 11 million residents. Now, along with businesses and factories, restaurants, cinemas, and karaoke lounges have also reported to pre-pandemic capacities. Bloomberg reported that. Now, to prevent a second wave, China has rolled out a contact tracing system that requires citizens to present a health code before entering a club. Look at these pictures. They look like they are back to normal. Oh, how I miss these days in the good old US of A. Now, we are working on a vaccine. We were lied to, said it would be available before November by Donald Trump. Now they're saying sometime in April. So our days of wearing a mask and practicing social distancing will continue on here in the USA. Now, despite the stringent measures, the rapid reopening efforts may have made people complacent. Some residents have dropped their guard and don't wear masks when they go in the streets. Now, meanwhile, they show hundreds of maskless people packed in Wuhan. Like, this is great, man. I mean, to see people getting over this. This is where this originated for, and people are hoping that the recklessness doesn't cause a resurgence in the former COVID ground zero, where infections totaled over 50,000 this past winter, according to CNN. Wuhan also reported 2,500 deaths, accounting for 77% of all coronavirus fatality across China. Now, the reopening of Wuhan does not mean the all clear, neither does it mean a relaxing of the epidemic prevention and control measures within the city, said Luo. Now, fortunately, China's daily coronavirus cases have dwindled significantly over a month, according to the state reports, although some have accused the government of covering up the real COVID figures in the past. Meanwhile, coronavirus deaths in the U.S. have now surpassed 200,000. God help us all. So, yeah, things are back to normal in China, Wuhan, China. All we are waiting for is things to get back to normal in the good old US of A. What do you guys think about Wuhan? Hey man, they over there they're not wearing masks. They are having a fucking party. Like this video, leave your comment, share this on social media, and subscribe.